Hey guys, well, welcome back. Today we are at Mundy National Park. A bit of a hike trail just outside of Perth. Thought I'd come down Sunday, bit of a walk, bit of exercise after being in the house all week. Get a video as well, so thought I'd take you along. We're gonna head up this trail and just see where it goes. It's near the Lesmurdie Falls, so it's some hilly country, some nice rock formations, plenty of good country. It's a beautiful overcast day, so it's nice and cool. So it should be a nice cruisable walk and nice and relaxing. Trusty M50 with me, with the rain cover on today, just in case that rain does pop in. But no, it looks all right. We'll see how we go. Rightio, let's head up the trail. Rightio guys, so I found, probably 2 minutes into a walk, I found this little waterfall, this little composition, little narrow one. So I've just got set up here and I've taken a couple of test shots and it looks pretty good. Hope you can hear me over the water, over that water. But if you come down here, let's see what I've got set up in there. I've just gone a vertical and I'm just doing a focus stack on it just to make sure that I can get it right. And yeah, it's 8 seconds. That water's nice and smooth and flowing, so it looks pretty cool. So it should end up a little bit like that, I guess. That probably won't come up real good on the screen, but yeah. So yeah, just doing a focus stack, bottom, middle and the top layer, and 8 seconds, and I've got it bracketed to make sure I've got enough of everything. Just taking my rain cover off because it was a bit hard to play with, and I've caught the first drop, so I'm probably going to get a bit of rain. But anyway, yeah, let me just get one more here, and it's looking pretty good. So yeah, nice little composition. Sort of, because it's so narrow, it sort of suits that vertical shot, and the colours of the limestone and that with the overcast background, it comes up really nice. And I think that rain we had last night and yesterday is probably why we've got a bit of water flow here, so it's pretty cool. Probably wasn't running yesterday, but today it is. And yeah, let's just, now that the bracket's finished, let's go in and just see if I can show you what we got. I don't know if you can see that. So there's the brackets. So definitely plenty to work with there. Yeah, very nice. I like that. It's come up pretty good. Righto, let's see what else we can find. Okay guys and ladies, composition number two. Again, didn't have to go too far. Another nice little waterfall. That rain's really done wonders. It's amazing what a nice little overnight shower will do. Yeah, just come down here. I don't know if you can see it in the back there. Just what I'm looking at. I've just taken a couple. Not too bad. Not as good as the last one, but something different. Yeah, catching plenty here. Yeah, I've probably literally only walked like 800 metres. Plenty of lovely bushland around. Lots of people walking and talking, so that's pretty cool. Let's head up the hill and see if we can find some more. Rightio guys, I'm under a little footbridge and This nice little water shot. Some bubbles there. I've got a nice slow-mo one for a test shot. Just want to see if I can get anything else out of it. So yeah, I'm just doing a bracketed shot. Coming from this angle and then looking down at those bubbles just here and that water flowing. I just want to see if I can get anything. You see the little bubbles just percolating there where they're coming out. That's pretty cool. So I might have to speed it up a little bit. I'm just doing a slow one now to see how that looks. And then I will try a fast one to see if I can capture those little bubbles as well. But pretty cool. Just in the bridge for it. I'll just have a quick look underneath because you can see the water flowing, and yeah, pretty cool. Nice little pool under here. I feel like a troll. There's no children bones under here, so there's no trolls in the area, so I should be safe. I haven't stolen any trolls home, so that's probably a good thing. Let's see how that looks. Oh, not bad at all. Not bad at all. Sort of nice little reflection off it. Nothing amazing. Probably need to come in closer. Anyway, let's see what I can do. 6 of a second. Just change up now to 2.5 that. Just give me a bit more light, and 0.6 of a second, or a sixth of a second. So let's see how that goes. I feel a little bit for those bubbles. I'm gonna have to go slower. I think I may even have to change the lens here. I think I might. I'm going to change lens and put the telephoto on and get in a bit closer. Hey guys, right now I've found another one here I'm pretty happy with. It's probably going to be the last one. I'll head back down the hill. I've got one more I want to get down, a big rock section. I'll talk to you about that when we get to it. But as you can see, I've got the tripod set up in the water to jump over on this rock. And I've got a vertical one of that tree going up into the top left hand corner. And I've also got that one there. It's trying to pick up all this root system on the right hand side, and this under thing. Hopefully I can bring it to life. I've got a few shots here, just getting it, giving it enough that I can get something out of it, but it looks pretty good. Let's show off a bit more colour there. Now I'm just shooting bracketed shots here, just making sure I try and get a colour, but yeah, and it's f16. Obviously I want to get detail on all those roots and all that. The water won't be good, so I'll probably do a couple of different exposures and different apertures and try and blend them all in on each other so I can get the water sort of smooth. And then also those roots, you can see there, I'm not sure if you can see that. Just go back. That's pretty good there, nice little reflection. There's a few I've got from earlier. That's the vertical ones. So I'm just going to have a bit more of a play around here before I go, and then head back down, and then I've got another composition I want to look at down the bottom, and that'll probably be it, and then we'll be in. And then light, we'll run out of time. plenty of light. Really nice day for shoot. Heaps to see and do here. Mundy National, or I think it's a national park, or Munday Recreational Park, near those Munday Falls. So it's not, again, 20 minutes from the city in Perth. You're pretty lucky you get all this amazing stuff to look at. And just after a rain shower, it really makes things happen. Righto, I'll keep shooting. Good spot here. Water's running pretty good, trickling down fairly well down the river, down the gully. Rightio, so another little one here I've just found. Just trying to get the tripod in the right location. Yeah, just looks just with it's got that rocks at the back. I just don't know how I'm going to get what I want. Hopefully I can make something out of it. Just trying a little bit of test shots now. It's not going to work. I might need to get down lower. So here for a second. Just going to try a little bit of horizontal work. I might have to go closer. That's better. Right, so I got a little shot here, I think. Second last shot. So I don't know if you can see it there. Reflection. There's a light coming from. There we go. Yeah. So see how we go there. It's I'm gonna have to focus stack it. I suppose it should be fine. Just have to focus stack it, I think, to get the right one. It looks pretty good. It'll come up good. Yeah, they look. Yeah, that's pretty good. Pretty happy with that. Definitely one or two in there I can use. If I can focus, get all that focus stack right, it should come up nice. Nice ochre in the rock. Beautiful. Rightio, last shot, let's get down to it. So yeah, I think we've done pretty well today. That overcast light's been just magic. It's nice and cool. Still sweating, so it's a steep old climb, bit of a goat track, but it's been quite enjoyable. I think I've barely touched the surface here. It's a monstrous area, and I didn't even get off the path. I found a heap just on the path as I was going. It's I didn't really have to look too hard, believe it or not. It's good country, definitely good country. I'm glad they keep sort of these things that are so close to the city. They don't let it get destroyed. I mean, there's houses all around this nature park, but it doesn't look like it's been trashed. Like I've seen stuff all rubbish. So people actually appreciate it, I think, and enjoy somewhere to come and have a nice walk and just relax, switch off, and see some beautiful things. Very nice. Righto, we've got one more spot I want to get down here. I wanted to get that sun down as low as I could before I took the photo of it, so I went up and seen as much as I could and used up that time. I'm going to go down and try and get a bag, a really good one. So there's a nice big rock formation, big bit of limestone or something, or granite I think, and the water running down it. If I can get in there and get a good shot and get a good composition, I think I might have something I can definitely use. So anyway, we'll get to that one and we'll go from there. Hey guys, rightio, here we are. This is what I was talking about. It didn't really come up. You can see down here the water comes up, down, and it just comes down that granite and just sort of bounces down. I just couldn't get a angle to really get anything out of it. So this beautiful old tree here, it'll be tricky on the GoPro to pick it up. I don't know if you can pick that with those black clouds at the back of it and that rock and the colour behind it. I've gone in, I've got a couple of shots there. You can see I've set up and tried to get all that in. And I think that doesn't look too bad. I might get a couple more a bit further back to try and get the whole thing in. But doesn't look too bad. I'm just going to have a couple more seconds here and then I'll be off and that'll be it. So you'll see that tree after this, or whenever I put it in there. And yeah, Mundy Regional Park. Your city's straight over the background there. It's a beautiful little spot. Definitely worth coming for a walk. Lovely, lots of trails, lots to see and do. And yeah, especially with some water. Come in winter when it's raining, this place would be absolutely bonza. Righto guys, if you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe down below. That'll help me out heaps. Much appreciate all your support and all our regulars. Thanks very much for being part of the team. Hit that bell if you haven't already. That'll let you know when I've chucked another video. You can catch us on the Another Day, Another Vlog series. Daily news, tech reviews, Monday to Fridays. You'll get me all there. Cool. Rightio. Anyway, that's it. Another video, done and dusted. Another walk, time to go home. Get ready for dinner. Righto guys, see you all soon. Peace.